So hi guys, for today's video ay pag-uusapan natin itong si freelancer. Yes po, freelancer. Yan ko, kung nakikita niyo po dito, yung logo nila is freelancer. So as you can see, virtual assistant required or internet research WordPress management CEO. Ito po yung offer na trabaho. Bago lang po ito. So, mag-i-end po yung bidding nila within 6 days, 24 hours. I need a VA to help me with the following tasks: internet research for articles that we publish. This might involve finding accurate stats along a resource competitor, publishing articles on WordPress using Elementor, basic CEO stuff like fixing on page issues, etc. Kung meron po kayong skills na ganito, skills required, mag-apply na po kayo at punta na po kayo sa freelancer.com. Data entry, research, virtual assistant, research writing, and internet research. Okay, nakatanggap po sila ng 5-star ratings. So, it means that this is verified and this is legit company, guys. Nag-hire po sila. Okay, let's see the project. Okay, marami po. So, as you can see dito po sa notification nila ay nag-notify po sila ng mga bagong work na offer. Ayan, Advanced Mathematical Model Reviewer, $10 to $30 USD. So, tingnan natin yung management. Okay, browse. Project. Okay. Titingnan natin yung mga ano dito. Ayan. Ito po yung mga nagha-hiring. Ang lalaki po. And then, if you can see, may mga 5-star and 4.9 ratings. Yun po sila yung mga legit at meron na pong nakapag-apply. Okay, urgent. Okay, as you can see, tingnan nyo po kung may 5-star po na mga ratings. Means, nasubukan na. Ayan o, 81 message, 5 ratings. Okay, 5-star. Ang dami po ng trabaho dito. Nag-offer po sila. Pero, of course, meron pong bids dito. And then, mawawala to agad kasi merong time. Like, 1 day. Like, ends with 6 days only. Like that. So, IP agreement. Quality assurance for cancer research. Ayan, ang dami po. 23 USD, 89 leads. Rewrite my academic reflective statement. Social responsibility. Festival strategist writer. Kung marunong ka pong sa market research, may skills ka pong ganyan, or marunong ka po sa math or whatever. So, madami po dito. If you are an engineer, naghahanap po sila dito ng mga gustong may trabaho po. So, you can visit at freelancer, so recruiter, IP agreement. So, as you can see, private. Tinpan mo natin yung iba. Okay, kung maganda yung profile po ninyo, is magre-reach out naman po yung client sa inyo. Research paper, ayan, versatile administrative professional, dog food brands, and info, ayan, comprehensive IT infrastructure risk assessment, ayan, compliance, audit, seeking children mental health, YouTube content creator, ayan. So, I'm talented in YouTube content creator who specialize in producing social issues related content aimed to teens, adults. The specific topics are not. So, creativity and deep understanding of appealing to this age group be crucial from the channel. So, ayan. Okay, 5-star. 5-star. Ayan. Okay, Canadian dollar. CAD. Content creator. So most here is scriptwriter, content creator, YouTuber. Ayan, magagamit na po yung mga mahilig dyan sa mga YouTube. Ayan. Page, autobiography, social media, information project. So, ano nang hinihintay mo? Pumunta na sa freelancer.com. Yung blue na logo po. So, thank you. I hope na makatulong po ito sa inyo. Don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you.